Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys this makeup look for back to school. When I went to high school, my makeup did not look like this, so I'm really teaching you my ways, okay? So I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be for my eyebrows. The CeraVe moisturizer actually works amazing for makeup looks. You can put as much as you want and it's still not gonna be cakey for foundation or anything, and it moisturizes and dries up pretty well, so your face is not gonna be cakey when using this. I've been using this for like 2 years, and girl, when it comes to eyebrows, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite type of products to use. Other than the Got To Be, I like to go in with the Maybelline Express Brow Pencil. It's the LA Colors Browy Wowy Brush Tip. It's almost like a liquid liner in brown. I like going in with this pencil, and I'm just gonna outline how I want my eyebrows to look. Obviously, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna fill in the eyebrows. And I'm not gonna go all the way to the front. I'm just gonna leave that front part empty to make little fake hair strokes, as you guys could tell. And now I'm gonna go on to the next thing after. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. I really like this primer. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Cream Puff. I kind of get it in a very similar tone to my face skin tone, because I like to mix this in with another concealer. This is more like for a base, and I'm also using the same concealer for my eyebrows. I don't think no other concealer can compare to this one. I'm gonna outline my eyebrows with a thin brush, and I'm gonna outline the top of it as well, since it's also a very similar color to my skin tone. Now if the concealer was lighter, I would recommend to either use foundation or a similar color of your skin concealer for the top line, just because personally I don't like how it looks kind of two different tones. And we're only using concealer for this makeup look. Go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow contour. I actually really like this contour. I got it in the color medium, and I like it because it's like a little, I don't know, girl, I don't even know how to do my makeup for real. I just kind of like do it. So as you can tell, I'm blending this contour. You could get really good brushes from e.l.f. at Walmart or even Walgreens, and those actually work really well. Those are the brushes I used to use in school. Now I just use whatever. Okay y'all, so now I'm gonna blend this concealer. And as you can tell, I'm using a dry beauty blender. Why am I using a dry beauty blender? Because lately I've been loving how it looks with a dry beauty blender. I've done it with a damp beauty blender, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I press onto my skin too hard that it kind of separates the concealer with like the water on. I don't know, like it just separates my makeup and I don't like it. Okay, so now that your face looks like a ghost, Period. Ghost face. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution liquid blush in the color Glam Orange. I love these blushes. I don't know what it is. I've also seen the elf ones, so those also work really good from what I've heard. But the Revolution ones are around the same price at Ulta. I think they're like $8. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones as well as on the tip of my nose. I'm gonna blend that out with a dense brush. I got these brushes from the TikTok shop a while back, and I freaking love these, but I'm pretty sure you can find these either on the TikTok shop or on Amazon. Now this makeup look might look a little too much if it's not your style, but I didn't wear foundation because I feel like it's too heavy. You could obviously like switch it up and just wear a little bit of blush and concealer and just call it a day. But personally, I like going in with a little bit of more color because I'm really pale, and girl, I haven't been loving that lately. So I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl concealer. So I'm gonna put this concealer right here in the inner corner, and you might be like, girl, that's a lot of concealer, but it's only a little bit, just so I can brighten up my under eye. Like, beauty blenders have been working way better for me than brushes, and as you can tell, it brightened up my under eyes. Brighten up pressed powder. Now I seen this on my TikTok page and I went crazy. Like when I found it, girl, I found it at Target, and I think it was like $5 or $6. It's definitely, look at that. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go in with this powder, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other powder I like to put on top. Now the other powder I'm gonna show you guys, it is a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth your coins. I'm definitely in love with that powder. So I was gonna clean this up with concealer, but I already put powder, so it doesn't really matter. I just forgot it. Not too much on me. But usually I'll put like a line of concealer right here, and I'll blend it in with a brush like this. And I like to use a big powder puff so I can get my full face. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Concepts Essential Bronzer, and I'm only gonna apply a little bit on my cheekbone and on this cheekbone and on my forehead. Then I'm gonna use the same bronzer for my eyelids, because if we put concealer, I don't like the separation of the concealer and like my eyelid color like right here in the inner corner. So I like to put some bronzer or brown eyeshadow. And then on my nose, I'm gonna make a little line right here and just kind of something. The Be Pure Essentially blush. This is from the dollar store. I got this a while back. I don't know if they still have it in stores, but I got like 4 of these, and I'm just gonna apply that on top. Huda Beauty loose powder in the color Peach Pie powder puff, and I'm just gonna put this right here. And right here. The reason why I like to use 2 different powders is because I just love the finishing look. With the LA Color lip liner in the color Spice. And I love this color because it's like the same color as the blush. I'm going with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss in the color Strawberry. Strawberry. I don't know why they named it like that, but Anyways, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how the makeup turned out. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok and on Instagram.